So we have a special project at Camp Susan Curtis today, and we need a boat to get access. So we better get moving. I'm gonna help Uncle Seth get that in the trailer before any daylight. So we gotta be fast.
Cannot. Hi, I'm Seth from Great Northern Docks. This is my brother Sam, and this is my nephew Gabe. Sam, bless his heart, has donated these 2 sections to Camp Susan Curtis. It may seem small, like a small job. These are going to be trail bridges out in the woods, and it's not that easy to get to. So carrying these a long way, I went and checked it out yesterday. It's almost impossible. There's fallen trees, so I figured I might have to float these things to the location. Sam, can you tell us about Susan Curtis?
This camp is very special. It's exclusive to Maine children. The kids come out of this camp and their doors just open for them. I've heard some really great stories from families, from children who've gone there. It's just such a great program that they have.
All right, we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go.